Hello everyone, this is Estelle from Pinoy Reviews YouTube channel. And I'm here to review Shopify. So let's get started. Meron na ba sa inyong nakarinig about Shopify? If you haven't, it's basically a service online na kung gusto nyo magbenta sa Facebook o magkaroon ng sarili nyo website to sell your items, you can use their service. Okay, so what's great about them is you can start a free trial just by putting in your email address. And this should be a 14-day free trial if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so let's take a peek at what you'll be able to see once you become a member. In my case, I already have a store. I created this a day or two ago. And the name of my store is Fan Hysteria. Okay, you can visit it on fan-hysteria.myshopify.com. So we're just logging in just so you can see what's inside, and I can give you my take on Shopify. Yep. So this is what you'll be able to see when you log in. And quite honestly, I don't find the interface that intuitive. Hindi siya ganun kadaling maintindihan kung paano ba magamit. It took me a while to be able to figure out paano ba magbenta sa Facebook or how do I make my products available on Facebook kasi hindi siya automatically nakalink. Okay, basically, if you want to see today, I have 0 visitors and 0 sales. And I already have the following products. Yeah, so I have, I think, around 10 items in stock. And basically, what you'd want to do is just add a product. And then you'll have, kung nagbablog kayo or you have a Microsoft Word application, this should be pretty easy. You just type in the title of your product and then the description here and then upload the images. Where I had some challenges was yung dito. Okay, so apparently you need to put product type is optional, pero yung collections medyo importante kasi this is where you can pick which collection to feature at yun yung makikita sa homepage ninyo. So my suggestion is to create collections right off the bat, which you can do right here, okay, in this page. And then you can also do some tags. And you also have the pricing. You can choose to charge taxes. My suggestion is to get Shopify to track your inventory, etc., etc. Okay, so let's take a look at a current product that I have already uploaded, which is, sabihin na natin, itong Coach Signature Crossbody Stripe Beige and White Shoulder Bag. Okay, so very easy. It already has all the information. What I like about it is you just type in the information and then it will even show you how it would look like kung malagay siya sa search engine. So, may search engine optimization tool na din siya. Okay. And then you can also view how it would look like on the actual page. And as you can see, it's very simple, but it works. Kung ano man yung in-upload mong photo, automatically, it's already there and looks pretty clean, which is great. Ang pinaka-issue ko sa Shopify is really the hard work in selling online is in the marketing. Kumbaga, Shopify is a great service kung gusto nyo talagang karirin yung pag-online store. Pero if no one is going to your store, it's pretty much useless. For beginners, since this actually has a price tag, no, of $13 per month, I wouldn't suggest you start off with Shopify. I would suggest that you sell on other websites like OLX, or try to sell on your own Facebook wall first without purchasing Shopify. For the simple reason na you get to save money, you get to try and test whether or not online selling is for you. If you notice, this is the Facebook interface, no? For Fan Hysteria. Now, I might be doing something wrong, but if you notice, this is the Facebook page. And it's already integrated sa Shopify, no? If you click on these links, on these pictures, it will lead you to my Shopify page. So, I already actually boosted this with 1,791 people reaching it, most of them being paid traffic. I paid $5, which is around 200, if I'm not mistaken, 200 plus pesos, no? 359 people liked it, and yet still no buyers. So I'm going to figure out what tweaks I need to do in order to sell. Posibleng medyo mataas din kasi yung price, but this is an authentic Kate Spade bag, so dapat naman talaga the price is right, in my opinion. But if you want a professional look to your store, you already have a lot of fans, this might be a good investment for you. So, final verdict, if you are a beginner, my suggestion is, and you don't want to spend for advertising or wala kang tiyaga for driving traffic to your website, my suggestion is to delay it muna. Wag muna kayo mag-invest sa pagbili ng Shopify membership, which will be a monthly expense that you won't need if you're just starting out your business, no? Shopify will not work on its own. You need to drive traffic somehow to your Facebook page, as well as to your items and your Shopify store. If I were you, I'd start selling on websites that already have traffic. Like, you have OLX, you have eBay.ph, you have Lazada, which is also accepting sellers. And then you also have, I think Zalora is also accepting sellers. I don't know if there are other websites, but you can always try that, or simply post your items for sale on your own Facebook page and see how you do with that. Okay, so hopefully this has given you a glimpse into Shopify, and see you in our succeeding reviews. If you have any questions at all about Shopify or online selling or any other reviews you'd like us to do, please let us know. Bye!